Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I've got a brand new floor plan to show you, so I'm pretty darn excited. Plus, I'm in a pretty darn beautiful campground today recording, so hit that like button so that way all these reps keep inviting me back to do cool stuff like this. Very pumped to be down here. But this is the 2024 Wildwood FSX 266BHLE. Again, no slides, but it is no problem. This floor plan is functional and it does not feel claustrophobic, even though it doesn't have a slide. So it is, very nice to know that, I suppose, or to be in it. Still feeling spacious, and it keeps it lightweight. You can zip in and out of different campgrounds. Virtually, most of the trucks can pull this thing, so that is going to be nice. But all the specifications, including a link for the pricing, can be found down in the description. Things like length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff. We'll start on the inside, work our way around the outside, but drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Again, it's the 2024 Wildwood FSX 266BHLE. And right when you walk in, you are looking at this absolutely mammoth style L couch. And the nice thing about this L couch too is it actually drops down to make a bed. So this three-part section is actually a jackknife. So that way you can sleep some extra folks. If there's a little bit of spillover from the kids on those big old massive double bunk beds. You also notice you get some walk around room, which is nice. So the slides are obviously not too much of a problem. I mean, I'm a bigger dude and I feel comfortable in this thing. You also get an emergency exit, pull, push, and plop, but more importantly, it's a massive viewing window along with some overhead storage there too as well. And there's going to be even more overhead storage over there at the same depth and height. You also got a couple little, happy little octopus guys just waiting for a hoodie to be hung up. Let me give you a view here of this couch, from over here. But I think it gives you pretty nice, kind of rainy day sitting space. And this is what it looks like when you drop it down. You just grab, lift up, and then plop. And now you can sleep even a couple extra folks. And I laid down on it. It is comfortable enough to where I could sleep there for a couple nights in a pinch. Absolutely no problem. Obviously, I'd still rather have the king bed back there. But I'll tell you, I mean, this thing can sleep. I mean, if you really needed to, probably 2, 4, 6 up in the front, probably 8 people, relatively comfortable, which not a lot of RVs can say that, especially ones, with no slide. So I'm sitting down, hanging out. This is going to be the view here of your kitchen area. Again, another good viewing area, hopefully somewhere nice like this. But you're going to get 6 pull-out drawers. The top 2 are going to be this size, so just a hair bigger. And then the bottom 4 are going to be this size. That's also going to be that hard wrap plastic. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. This is going to be your control panel. So for your awning, your light, water pump, water heater, along with your tank levels, you can see it glows up there. You also have USBs and universal C. But man, I like that window. It's going to be tinted. It opens up for a good breeze. I just imagine sitting here, doing some dishes, watching my kids playing, hanging out by the fire, making some s'mores, playing cornhole, doing the works, all while still being, kind of a part of the action. You also get a 3 stove top burner Rooney to whip up all the fixings, along with a convection microwave here as well. So no oven, but it does get the convection microwave. Pretty clean cut storage and access to your plumbing here up underneath. And then, I forgot to show you. You also get this TV backer right here. So there's a piece of wood right there, along with the appropriate plugins there too as well. 1 AC in this unit. I believe it's a 13.5, but that'll be down in the description. It's also got the dump valve. So it either runs through the track or you can open this up if you're not using the bedroom. And it'll disproportionately push, all that cool air here into this room. Let me just check. Yeah, okay. This is going to be the control this is your thermostat. This is the 12-volt refrigerator. So it's nice about that. It'll run off solar, battery, truck. But it's also not going to have to worry about, the sun's beating down on this side. It won't heat up the freezer or anything like that. Before you get to the double over double bunk, you do get a couple little storage areas. You're going to get 2 of those. But the big old teddy bear mattress with their own window in here, and they're also each going to get their own charging stations. You don't have to worry about the kids screaming, to charge up their devices. And you get a little kind of stow and go action down there, if you would like, and it flips up for easier access. Fuse box, so if something isn't working, make sure to check there. It'll glow up nice and red for you. And then you got a bathroom, which is just enough room to be dangerous. You know, I am a bigger guy, and, you know, having the bathroom, I always kind of look for that. Can I shower? Can I sit down and take care of it? But you can see, you know, 6 foot, 300 pounds. My head is almost at the ceiling, probably about 6'1" here. It's kind of scraping the top of my hat. But I do have plenty of room, you know, no problem to take an actual shower, which is a plus. And then as far as the toilet is concerned, you're seeing I'm good. I mean, I'm not dancing on the darn thing, but I'm sitting down pretty darn comfortably. You also got another window that does open up, along with a little fan here up top. You also got your sink with just enough room for, you know, maybe like your toothbrush or your soap, you know, your hand soaps. You got an outlet, access to your plumbing, a little bit of storage there as well. And then you got a mirror to check out the old bowling gun. I'm working on it. I know there's a couple you'd like to point out that it's not big enough for you. Freaking dorks. It's funny. I'll tell you, the comments you get from people. I get comments, I can hear them breathe. You need to work on your muscles. All sorts of goofy stuff. I'm sure just saying that will probably invite some online trollage. So heading into, oh, look at that. They changed that. Wood trim now. So I didn't realize this was actual real wood. So that was pretty darn cool. Heading into the bedroom, you're going to get a window over here that opens up for a good breeze. You also got a nice little shade right there to help get your Dracula on. You know, block out the sun, keep the old skin ski from sizzling. You also have an emergency exit, so pull, push, and plop. USB and outlets on both sides, along with countertop space on both sides if you need to hook up, you know, a CPAP or something like that. You also get some storage here up underneath. And then on both sides, you're going to get just a little bit of room for some hanging items. And then some overhead storage here as well. You also got a place where you can put in a TV right there with another backer. But I think that about wraps it up here for the inside portion. Again, this is the 2024 Wildwood FSX 266BHLE. And again, if you guys don't mind, hit that like and comment, especially on these next couple videos down at this campground, because it'll really help me out. So, big old awning. No slide to worry about here on the campground side. So you got all sorts of room, you know, for activities. We put out a little campground fishing tackle box. You got the fire over there. You know, you're enjoying life, kind of seeing what life would be like, you know, with this camper. But you have a really nice size awning there as far as, you know, it's coming out pretty well. You also have the solar on the side that's rated for 20 amps right here. And then you got a little pass-through storage. And I like the fact they put the linoleum running all throughout as opposed to like some express or some like press board, you know, or something like that. Check out the underbelly on this thing. Dual axle here too as well. Let me see what the okay, the weight sticker's over on the other side. But you have your fresh water connection, which is going to be right there. And then as you're heading around the back, you're going to get a bumper, but you're also prepped for the Furion observation camera. So it comes with or you can purchase a 4.5-inch screen that you suction cup right onto your windshield so you can see what's going on behind you with some distance markers. It also has a one-way radio, and you are prepped with that little black bar for the Lippert on-the-go ladder system. So that way, you know, you can get up there and do the kind of maintenance that you need to do, you know, on these units. Here's going to be your cable hookup. You also got your low point drain right here, and then your sewer dump valve is going to be located right there, along with your city water connection and your black tank flush, which is basically a sprinkler system for your poop tank. There's where you plug in the unit. But I also like how the axles are a little bit, you know, spaced out a hair. So that's going to be nice for a little bit of a smoother ride. This is that back end there, you know, of that pass-through storage. And then right up on the front, you're going to notice you get a rack where you can put in 2 batteries. You also get your rock guard right up here, and then your propane bottle. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2024 Wildwood FSX 266BHLE. Have a great day. See ya.